questions 10 and 11. The easy trigonometry. Calculate the length h in this right-angled triangle. Well, we know the hypotenuse and the angle. So we know the hypotenuse. We're interested in the opposite side, so it's a sine question from Sokotoa. Sine of 15 degrees is h over 628. So h is equal to 628 times sine 15. Or if you prefer, you might just want to write that down directly. If you think of sine 15 as being what you multiply the hypotenuse by to get to the opposite side. Tap that in and you get 162.5, that's to 4SF. It's very important to read the question here. Give your answer to two significant figures. If you give the answer 163, which is 3SF, you'll lose a mark. So 160 to 2SF. Moving now to question 11, the easy matrices. Again, it's something you should know. You should recognize that matrix I as the identity matrix, the matrix which doesn't do anything when you multiply. That's why there's only one mark. You shouldn't need to do a multiplication sum to realize that multiplying by I does not change A. A inverse comes in two steps. You compute the determinant, 3 times 2 minus 4 times negative 1, which is 10. And then the inverse is 1 over det A. And then you swap the 2 and the 3 around and you change the sign on the minus 1 and the 4. And then you multiply that by 1 over the determinant. For your answer, you can, if you want, write this, you can push the 1/10 inside. So it's not incorrect to write that as 2 over 10, 1 over 10, minus 4 over 10, and 3 over 10. Although this is probably neater. The way I remember how to do the inverse is I always think that the inverse of the identity matrix must be the identity matrix again. So swapping the 1 and the 1 doesn't change them, and making the zeros negative also doesn't change them.